muna. Yes, you sit down. We sit down. Yung stroller, Nelsa. Wow. Wow. Later, we're gonna feed the fish pag walang masyadong people. Punta muna tayo sa play area. Tayo, ilagay ko na lang. Our first, look at Bellevue, Bohol. We're finally here. Si Kuya Angelo. Thank you po. Ang bongga ng Bellevue, Bohol. Yung kanilang play area is mas maganda kaysa sa Bellevue, Manila. Di ba, ate? Mas malaki. Oh, di ba? I love it here. Sobrang nakaka-happy. Ayan. Na-surprise ako because I didn't expect that yung play area ng Bellevue, Bohol is this big. And then, ang daming choices ng kids. Like for me, iba-iba yung age ng anak ko. Pero, they have different area and games to choose from. Itong area na to for Drogo. Oh. Yung mga puzzles, may Legos, may slide. Oh. And here naman, para sa mga big kids. See, they have may game zone. Oh, may computer and may tennis pa. May mga board games. Yan. Board games. And here. Oh, see? Ang saya. Hi, mga mommies, fam. See, sobrang ganda. Na-amaze ako sa play area ng Bellevue, Bohol. It makes me want to book again kahit hindi pa kami naka-check out. Ang ganda. Oh, di ba? Oh, they cater all the age bracket ng kids. When you have maliit pa, mga pang-pre, toddler, ganyan. Meron din pang babies, ayun doon. Oh, di ba may game zone? Oh, may ganito sila. Talagang ako, na happy. Kasi napipicture talaga ni Drogo na yung dolphin ay may black and blue and white. So he's looking for white. Waiting, looking for white. Oval. How about hexagon? Wow! Pear shape. Is that a rectangle? Very good. Good job. Good job. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Here na, here. Y, Z. Yay! 5, 6. Where is 6? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, What happened? 24? 25? 27?
Which one?
We're finally here. We're here now in Bellevue, Bohol. Look how beautiful it is. I will show you yung restaurant ni Lala Maria just here in front of me. Can you turn like this so that they can see?
There's an X mark! Look! There's an X mark! Doing very something! Mommy!
Here, sobrang relax, sobrang peaceful, pero medyo malayo siya dun sa mga ganap-ganap. Kasi yung mga ganap, nandun talaga sa Alona Beach. Ito naman, pag ano lang, pag gusto mong quiet, and you know, yung kids, gusto ng less crowded, kagaya ni Drogo, may time na hindi talaga niya kaya yung sobrang crowded na mga places. Here din, na-practice ni Drogo yung kanyang limitations. Before kasi wala talaga siyang sense of danger. But now, alam niya na he will not go dun sa may dulo kasi malalim yun, he can get drowned. Hindi na rin siya masyadong lumalayo. So pag medyo malayo na siya from us, kusa na siyang bumabalik. Na-enjoy din talaga ni Drogo yung freedom niya rito. Kasi unlike sa Manila, syempre maraming cars. Sa area namin, may mga dogs pa sa street na nakakawala. So, sometimes natatakot ako baka makagat. Ito naman yung complete breakfast tour. Ayan, kuha yan ng ating videographer na si Nelsa. Enjoy watching, guys! Marami din yung variety nung breakfast nila, and I paid lang, si Kita and si Drogo, they are free, and I paid lang for Nelsa. I think I paid 400 plus something dun sa breakfast ni Nelsa. And ayan, sobrang kompleto naman, ang babait ng staff, and then you can request anything. They're really trying their best na mabigay yung request natin. Kagaya ako dun sa coffee ko. Actually, I have 2 coffee nga eh. I have coffee latte, I have cappuccino, di ba? Palpitate ang mami ko nyo. Everything is masarap. And then, nakakatuwa pa si Drogo. He's really behaved na. Alam niya na when it's time for buffet, is nakaupo lang siya. Pero as of now, nakaupo din ako beside him. Hindi ko pa natatry na patayo-tayo ako. Next time, I'll try that to see whether talagang kaya na ni Drogo i-handle yung sitting time niya even without Mami Con. And yung breakfast area nila, talagang literally facing talaga yung beach. Ayan, nag-request tayo ng coffee latte. Ayan.
Pwede pala sila kung tuturuan, ano?
Oh, puti.
Si Milsa.
Maybe some of you will not understand, but for autism parent like me, it's a big win na pag alam na ng anak natin yung limitations nila, kung hanggang saan lang sila pwedeng mag-go.
Oh, may nagno.
Come back. Make a castle. Castle. Here, oh. Make a castle. Your shovel is there.
Yeah.
Pero when I asked Drogo kung saan niya gusto, will he play sand or will he go to the indoor playground? Parati niyang pinipili dyan sa sa sand talaga. Mas gusto niya talaga yung mag-sand castle. Siguro sensory na rin. Iba kasi yung texture ng hand and feet kapag nasa sand. We will definitely come back here sa Bellevue, Bohol. Ang saya ng kids.
We're having late lunch here at Jollibee. Drogo is here. Bao-bao. Oh, nakasakay kami sa bao-bao. Yan. Sa amin tricycle to Dito daw bao-bao, sabi ni Kuya.
Pero sa nakasanayan kami dito, ma'am, is tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk.
Kami sa Thailand.
Oo, nagaya daw sa Thailand. Tuk-tuk na daw ang pangalan. Tuk-tuk. Sabi mo, tuk-tuk. Tuk-tuk. You're riding tuk-tuk. Riding tuk-tuk. Riding tuk-tuk. Smile. 1, 2, 3 guys, smile. Kaya namin. Ito lang kami sa kabila, Kuya. Sa pagtawid. Ganyan yung sinasakyan namin. Yan, kagaya niyang blue na yan.
We really enjoy our Bohol experience, lalong-lalo na yung mga hotel na napagstayan namin. And especially, ito medyo upscale naman itong sa Bellevue. Pero as a mom with many kids, and especially Drogo has autism, sobrang good din sa kanya. Talaga yung peaceful and then experience niya and na-practice niya yung kanyang exploration ng freedom niya to run around, to walk around nang hindi hinahawakan. Price reveal naman tayo kung magkano ba yung nagastos namin dito sa ating 3 nights, 4 days Bohol trip. So, ayan guys, yung mga nagastos natin, i-pause nyo na lang para makita nyo. So, ang total is 36,076 pesos. Kasi medyo matipid naman kami guys. Nagmamakdo kami and Jollibee and 7-Eleven. Nandun yung mga mas tipid na food. Merong mga cup noodles, mga rice meal. And kasi wala kaming tour na kinuha, hindi kami nagpunta dun sa mga talagang tourist spot. In-enjoy lang talaga namin yung beach ng Alona Beach, ng Panglao, and yung mga hotel na pinuntahan namin, yung mga amenities. Kasi umuulan, so nag-decide ako na hindi na muna kami magpunta dun sa mga tour. Maybe next time na lang when we go back here in Bohol.
Wala pa. We are here na sa airport. Ang bilis lang. Parang 10 minutes lang, no, Kuya? Ayan. 10 minutes lang.
10 minutes lang.
Parang wala pang 15 minutes. May 15 minutes ba yon, Kuya? Walang 15 minutes. Ang bilis lang.
See you in our next